Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to time an iPhone. To begin, locate the clock application on your home screen or within your app library. It typically has an analog clock icon. Tapping this icon opens up a world of useful timekeeping features, including world clocks, alarms, and the versatile timer and stopwatch functions. We will explore each of these in detail. To set a basic countdown, open the clock app and tap the timer tab at the bottom right of your screen. Adjust the green wheels to select your desired hours, minutes, and seconds, perhaps setting it for exactly 25 minutes for a focused work session. Once you have chosen your time, simply tap the prominent green Start button to begin the countdown, and your phone will notify you with an alarm when the time runs out. For measuring elapsed time, the stopwatch tab is invaluable. Access it from the bottom of the clock application. Tap Start to begin the stopwatch, perfect for timing runs or cooking intervals, and use Stop to pause or conclude your measurement. If you are tracking multiple segments within one activity, such as different laps in a race, simply press the lap button to record each individual split time without stopping the main timer. The iPhone timer offers more than just a simple alert. You can customize the when timer ends sound. Select a gentle chime, a strong alarm, or even stop playing to automatically pause any audio, which is perfect for falling asleep to music. For hands-free convenience, or if you need to manage several countdowns at once, simply ask Siri to set a timer for 10 minutes, or set another timer for 30 minutes, making multitasking much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.